It's springtime, so sometimes you got to go out and get some repairs done. And I've got one that I have to do every couple of years. Sometimes we get strong winds out here, and when I'm saying it's not 80-mile-an-hour winds, but sometimes it'll gust up to 40, 50. And I've got screen doors, and they're storm doors on my exterior, and sometimes, don't know why, but well, I do know why. Sometimes you're opening up, the wind catches it, and it pays hell on the closure. So every once in a while, I've got to go in and replace them, because sometimes they just quit working, sometimes they get mangled, sometimes they pull out of the screws. And what I've done is I've used longer screws. I need to go through and patch all the previous holes and paint them, and that's for another day. But anyway, hope this isn't too boring. Hope you enjoy it, and hope maybe you'll learn something. I don't know how many of you out there got problems like I have with these. So I'm going to try to, I've got one to replace. Every time I get a windstorm, I don't know if these are any longer. Yeah, they are. See if I got anything more to connect to. We get winds and every now and then. Have to replace this damn thing. Should be relatively easy. Hopefully that'll work. Have a thing over here. Needs to go on this part of the door. I can't see if you're seeing anything. Out here in this. Hope you can see it. Well, this is a completely different thing, so I guess I need to read the instructions. Look at the pictures anyway. Okay, first thing I do is put this on wrong. Take these off. Ooh, that's stuck on there. I'm kind of cracked that. Storm door. Okay. This has 4 screws on it, so I don't know if that helps. Helps or not.
Try to get them in a little different hole or something. Oh, come on. Putting extra long screws here. Tearing it apart. I'm gonna screw that one in. Have to get a bit of extension or something. Another one's look at the instructions. Come on. Okay. Nope. Okay, that's how it works. Pretty easy. I'm talking about the door, not your cats. This is my wife's little beautiful thing here. And apparently the cats like to, well, not apparently, they do like to use that as their restroom. Had a kitty, a litter box, don't work. Made a sandbox, don't work. The kids were playing in the sandbox at work, but it doesn't. So anyway, see the door?
Who are you talking to?
My camera. It shuts. Okay, I got a long screw there, so I'm gonna have to get an extension here. Whoa. Whoop. Got this crack here, and I guess I fill it full of putty and hope it works. But that's one. Only got 3 more to go. That was probably the easiest one. The other ones are kind of boogered up. So here we go. Now this one is just, I got some screws pulling out. Let me just see if I can get some of those longer screws, and that'll help. This one is wayward wind. Most of the wind blows this way, so this is kind of a bad deal. So let me see if I can get screws. There we go. Pretty hefty screws, they just don't have the length. Yep, that's spun out. Put a screw in there to kind of hold the thing. Make it a little tighter. And, you know, these, I'm going to put the new one in because these things don't work for shit. I don't know how many times I've redone this, but try it again. These door things, I guess it's the squalls. There we go. Finally figured out what a squall is. It's wind, high winds. Ah, take them out, it'll fit. Okay. Okay. Another one's done. Okay, this is the worst. So you can see I repaired it, replaced it, whatever before. But what the hell, gotta do it again. That's pretty smashed. Got a new one. I don't know how it got bent so much. But this door seems to be getting most of the wind, and we never use this door. Don't know. Got these things at Home Depot. They were 15 bucks a piece. But it got the little fancier ones with the foot thing. They didn't have any. Towards door. Man, I got a lot of holes. Yep, goes like that. Just try to find some new holes. These are a little bit smaller, but they go deeper. Come on. God dang. A little better tip, maybe. Ah, come on. You know, I think I screwed up. I did. On the last one. Yeah, works, it works. See what I did? Put the wrong one in the wrong way. Guess I had to put my glasses on so I can see the damn thing. Looks like the tree's starting to bud. A little early, isn't it? Okay. Biddy's on the phone.
Brett, don't you dare. Dad's video.
Mom said she was tired. Biddy says, well, you ever done any cocaine? He's just kidding. No play, he's had enough sense not to do that shit, but... Okay, if I could get this door unlocked, I would try it, but I'm not going to. So, I'm picking up my mess. Got 3 of them installed. 1 backwards. Have to change that around. But this, obviously this door's done it before. That's why we keep a lock so it can't open. It's actually, the screen has it. I'm pointing things and you can't see. But the screen up there, it actually, that knob comes down and then the screens comes down. So, you know, screen in the door. And that's all screwed up. I had to fix that. You can see that big clump over there busted out. So, that's done. I will not open this door. We got, oops, trash. 3 doors done. The front door, I don't need it. But I got one just in case. All right, well. Hope everybody had a wonderful time watching me do this home repair crap. Hate to do, I love to build things. Hate to do repairs, but kind of got to do them. All right, later.